Alright, this is my bike check. I have Colt Vans grips, IDC bar ends, Eastern Wonder Years, I think they're 8.25, I don't really know. A Redneck, S&M, a Redneck XLT stem, real cheap camo, it's pretty nice. Okay, I have Fit Shave 2 forks, they're nice. Okay, up front, Shadow Lowlands, Peg and Olive. Animal, TWW, 2.25, I think. Yeah, 2.25. I have a G Sport. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, a G Sport laced to a nitrous hull. Frame is a FBM Heathen 2010 frame. Getting a new one soon. Colt headset. Odyssey Twisted Eastern stock cranks. They're holding up, they're fine. Shadow Scream Sprocket. Pretty good. 25 tooth. Machinic half track chain. Another Shadow Low ones on the right. Okay, I have a Bone Death vibrator pivotal. It's fat. I have a stock seat post and seat clamp. Alright, a Fit FAF 2.25. Real nice tire. And for back wheel, I have a Verde stock back wheel. And I think that's it. Yeah.